Hi students, today we are going to learn some tips to learn the algebraic formulae. So many students we get confused while reading the algebraic expression formulae. So there are some two things we have to remember to do not get confusion, and we can memorize very easily, and we never ever fail in writing the formula, and we never ever write to the formula mistake. Okay children, so listen carefully. Here two things we have to remember children. Okay, the first thing is odd power. We should remember the odd power. Second thing, we should remember the degree of the term. Degree of the term. Degree of the term. So these two things, odd power and degree of the term, these two things we have to remember. Then we don't get confused children. Okay. So first of all, a plus b whole square. This logic is applicable for this formulas only children. Okay. Whole square, whole cube, okay, now whole power 4, whole power 5, where we will get the squares and whole cubes. There we can use this logic. So first a plus b whole square is there. When we expanding the a plus b whole square, here the terms a and b are there, no? So if we get, absolutely we will get one a square term, one b square term we will get. Here a square, b square is not there. A plus b whole square is there. So we will get a square and plus b square we will get. And next 2ab we will get. So this is a well-known formula for everyone. So this one we don't get confused. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. Here see, each term, how many terms are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. What is the degree of the each term? Here a square, degree of this term is 2. B square, b power 2, that means degree of the term is 2. Here a power 1, b power 1. 2 a and b are the variables. So that powers only we should add to get the degree of the term. Variable, sum of the powers of the variables is the degree of the term. So a and b, 1 plus 1, it is 2 children. So each term degree is 2 only. Degree of the term. So when we are writing the a plus b whole square or a plus b whole cube or a plus b whole power 4 or a plus b whole power 5 also, each term degree follows the 2 and 3, 4, 5 respectively. Okay. Next. Here again suppose here now a minus b whole square is there. So a minus b whole square means here we got b to the minus. So first a square plus b square is common. Here b has minus. So in the expansion of this formula, where we will get minus, children. Here b has minus, no? B odd power. B has minus. So where b has the odd power, there we will get the minus in the formula. Okay? It's very clear and very simple also. Here b is there here, but b has the even power. So plus will come. Minus will not become. And it is not the question of here. Only where the b is there. That we should just watch only the b. Because b has the negative sign. So in expansion also, 2ab we will get. Here b power is 1, means odd number. It's an odd power. So we will get minus. Okay. Now we can see the remaining formulas also. Then you will understand very easy. And also see second logic, degree of the term 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Here the degree of the each term also 2 only. Next a plus b plus c whole square. So whole square, no? For a and for b and for c, individual squares we will get a square plus b square plus c square. Next we will get 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the formula. See, all are the positives only. All are positives only. There is no minus in the formula. All are positives, no. So there we don't get negative term. Check the each term degree. 2, 2, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. Each term degree is 2 only. So a plus b whole square means each term contains the degree 2 only. Follows the 2 only. Next, see a plus b minus c whole square. Here c has the minus. So in the expansion of the formula, where c has the odd power, there we will get the minus. Where c has the odd power, there we will get the minus. Suppose for example, so a square plus b square plus c square. C we got, but c power is 2, means even number. 2, 4, 6, 8 even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 11 odd numbers. So when the here c has the minus, so where the c is the having the odd power, there only we will get the minus. Otherwise, it's remaining all places are positives only. Plus c square. Next, plus 2ab. Plus 2ab. Here c not there, so plus only. Plus 2bc, c we got and power is 1 only, means odd power. So that means minus we will get. Next, 2ca. Again, next term is 2ca. 2ca. C has the power 1, means negative odd power. That means minus we will get. So this is the logic we should remember. Okay, children. So if you remember this point, this trick, so then students get confused with the plus and minus only, where we should keep plus, where we should keep minus. So that is many students will get confusion. So now I think it will be clear to you and you don't write the formula mistake. Okay. Next, a minus b plus c whole square. If you observe here, b has the negative sign. So in the expansion, where the b has the odd power, there only we will get negative sign, students. Where b has the odd power, there only we will get negative sign. Remaining all are the positives only. And each term degree is 2 only. See, check once again. Here also 2, 2, 2. A1 for b power 1, a power 1 means 1 plus 1, 2. B power 1, c power 1. 1 plus 1, 2. C power 1, 2, a power 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So same here also follows. So observe the only b only. Plus b square. B has negative, no? So only we should watch only b. B square means even power. So plus only. Plus c square. Next to 2ab. B has the odd power, means b power 1 means it's an odd number. So here we will get minus. Next, 2bc. Next term is 2bc. B we got and with power 1. So minus we will get. Next, 2ca. So there is no b in variable. So 2ca plus only. So see where the b got the minus. Here in these two terms we got minus. Where the b is the power 1. Odd power. So I think you understood. Okay, now again each term having the degree 2 only. Next, a minus b minus c whole square. Here see, here the b and c both are having the negatives. Both are having negatives. So little bit different than the above formula. Just watch it. A square plus b square plus c square. 2ab. Next term is the 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. These are the terms. 2ab. B has negative. B has only negative. A is positive only. So here it is minus. B has the odd power. So it is minus. Next, 2bc. B and C both are having the negatives. If the both are having the negatives, it is plus, students. Okay, students. See, B has negative, C has negative. So actually here it should be B, or B has the odd power, C has the odd power 1 and 1, so it should be minus. But both are in the single term, so we should keep that one as a plus. So remember this one also. Next, 2CA. 2ca. Again a is positive, bc is negative, so minus only we will get. Okay, so this is the trick or simple logic you have to remember, and don't write the formula mistake. So the formulas are the stepping tools of the mathematics. So if you are good at formula, and you will be good at mathematics. Next, a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube, no, 1a cube, 1b cube. Two terms we will get first. A and b with the cubes we will get. Next terms, there is no minus for the a and b. So all are positives only. 3a square b, next to 3ab square. 3ab square. Each term's degree should be follows by 3 now, because it is a plus b whole cube now. So each term degree follows cube, whole cube. Each term degree in a plus b whole cube, each term degree follows 3. Here the degree is 3, power is 3. Here a square 1, b power 1, 2 plus 1, 3. A power 1, b square, 2 plus 1, 3. So each term degree is 3 only we will get. Next, a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube, b has the negative. So in the expansion of the formula, where the b is having the odd power, there only we will get minus. Otherwise remaining all are the positives only. First we write the terms, all the terms. A cube, b cube, 3a square b and 3ab square. These are the terms in the expansion. A only b has minus, no, b cube odd power, so minus. Again here b got 1, power is 1, that means negative, so minus. B has power 2, even number, so it is the plus only. So a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay students, so this is the way, and some more formulas are there in algebra, and next time I will tell you another, I will make another video to remember. So these are the formulas, follows these two rules only students. One is the odd power, we have to see the odd power and also degree of the term. So odd power means when in expansion of the formula, if the b has the negative, if a negative term is there, so that negative variable, where it gets the odd power, there we will get minus, otherwise remaining all are plus only. Okay, suppose a minus b whole square is there. See, a square plus b square, b has negative and b power 1, so here we will get minus, students. Okay, so if you want more tips and more videos on mathematics, please subscribe and follow my channel. Okay, thank you students, bye.